Before I came here or did the drone program, I thought that flying drones is mostly a hobby. So it's very cool to be a part of something that's cutting edge technology in a sense.
Every year the cameras get better, the other sensors get better. Mary Darling, CEO of Darling Geomatics. We're a high-tech land surveying company, so we use every tool available to create measurable maps for our customers. It's been amazing, the sensors, the capabilities of the drone, ability to fly further, fly faster, and get extremely good data.
I believe that going through the aviation and air transportation drone program at Pima JTED helped me gain some knowledge in order to be successful in this internship.
JTED teaches all the basics for these students, so when they get to Darling Geomatics, they have so many skills that put them in a different arena than other employees that we start from scratch.
It's a cool feeling to know that I'm actually helping clients out by giving them a good final product that they can actually use to get better knowledge about where they're working. With this internship now, I've gotten a much better understanding of how useful drones can actually be in everyday, commercial life.
So it's been really fun working with JTED, getting a full curriculum so when people leave JTED, those students have the career skills to really get into the work world and start being productive immediately. And that is what a lot of employers are looking for right now.